we can
Let's
see
go,
them.
let's go, let's go.
They're still.
Yeah, they're
at the ground.
They're at the nest. Here they are. Can I touch one? They're all three moving. Look at the nest.
Dare me kick it?
No, it's a baby. My gosh. We need to get.
Go and get Isaac. Isaac! We saw a baby bird. Let's see what you want. That's flying up me, not going down.
No, I'm for real. The wind knocked it down. Look it.
Come here.
Don't try to step on them. I think they're full.
They're sleeping.
The wind knocked them down.
They need something warm. Look it. See, that one's fine.
That was fine. Look it.
I think that's mom right there.
Mama,
This is mom right there.
your baby fell.
Look it. Look it. They're moving.
No,
Don't touch it.
I
Gotta
can't
go wash your hands. Go wash your hands. Hurry up. You're gonna get very sick. Go wash your hands.
did he touch them?
Yeah, you can't touch them.
They
Don't
look
get
like
very sick.
eagles.
The baby one of those. See that one that just flew on the roof? The baby one of those. They're gonna be one of those. Did the wind knock them down?
Yeah.
So the wind. So luckily they were still in their nest and they dropped out of the nest probably.
Yeah, but you landed in a soft spot. But this one's tougher than both of these. But this is the one that last got born.
No, the other one just they're still sleeping. Let's go.
This one has the mostest hair. This one has the second mostest. This one.
No, that one
There.
has the most. Guess how?
What?
Because it's flipped over, so it's laying on its back. The other one's laying on its tummy. Let's go.
Wait,
I'm getting cold. I'm going inside. I'm getting freezing. I'm going.
we need to pick the nest back. But we need to find food. Can we feed them? Chirp chirps. Chirp chirp. Chirp chirp.